everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unlock your Facebook account. So if you're having trouble to unlock it, we will guide you through the process of unlocking your account. So without delaying any more further, let's delve into the video. Here, the first thing that I want you to do is open your Facebook. If you do not have your account logged in, then log in your account. After that, tap on menu present on the bottom right of your screen. Select security and privacy, then select settings. After this, scroll down and right under audience and visibility, you will see profile locking. Tap on it and there you will see a unlock button. Tap on that and then select unlock your profile. And that's it, you have now successfully unlocked the Facebook profile. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media hacks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.